Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold definitely did make a nice 3 waves down. I think just like this morning, I was saying that this looks like an ABC correction and that the trend is up on all the higher time frames, most likely at wave 3 of 3. Looks like an ABC correction, bounced off a fib level, 3 waves down, impulsive up. It was definitely very slow going for a while, but I mean, it does look like the end of a correction. I actually think it will most likely go up to this 100% Fibonacci extension, which is someplace around the 2356 area. I think that's probably my next area of resistance, so I definitely would continue to look for longs. If we get a big bounce from there, maybe we'll make a big correction, maybe not, because like I said, I think we are very likely in that wave 3 of 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.